Hey everyone, welcome back to the Think Stats. In this video we are going to discuss about the ICC Test Championship match winners from 2001 to 2021 through data visualization and try to analyze various trends cropping up. The match is a symbol of excellence and a recognition of a side's outstanding performance in Test cricket, and since 2001 ICC has been awarding the top ranked Test team in the world each year with the ICC Test Championship match along with a prize money of $1 million. So without any further ado, let's start our visualization. In the first year of ICC Test Championship, Australia, under the leadership of Steve Waugh, cemented their supremacy by finishing at the top. The highlights of the year included their Ashes win in England by 4-1 and beating Proteas 3-0 in their home soil. Next year, Australia topped the rankings again under the captaincy of Waugh. This year's highlight included victory against Pakistan 2-0 and Ashes victory 4-1 at their home soil. In 2003-2004, Australia again won the title under Waugh's leadership, who was playing his last season. A new era had begun after Waugh's retirement. Australia won 3-0 in Sri Lanka under the new captain Ricky Ponting. Australia continued their dominance in 2004-05 season as well. Highlight of the season was the tough series win in India 2-1. The next season they again retained their top spot. After the loss to England in the Ashes 2-1, they regained their pride by defeating ICC World 11 in a one-off test match and winning over South Africa and West Indies. In the calendar year 2006-2007, Australia, the number one ranked team, featured in only 7 tests, winning all of them. The highlight was whitewashing England 5-0 in their home soil. In the season 2007-08, Australia maintained their top spot with an influx of new talents as their major players retired this year. In 2008-09, for the 8th consecutive year, Australia won the match by retaining their top spot, in spite of a disappointing year in the terms of performance. In 2009-10, after 8 years, the world saw a new topper, India, who, under the leadership of MS Dhoni, dominated the world. In 2010-11, India retained the top position under Dhoni. The year's highlight was 2-0 win over Australia. In 2011-12, England were in the contention for the top spot for quite some time, and after defeating the top team India in their home soil, they topped the table under Andrew Strauss. In 2012-13, South Africa claimed the top spot under Graeme Smith. They were on a killing spree, crushing all the opposition. In 2013-14, the Proteas under Graeme Smith managed to hang on the top spot by a thread after a mixed year where they won 3, lost 3 out of 7 matches. In 2014-15, under a new test leader Hashim Amla, South Africa retained the top position for the 3rd consecutive year. In 2015-16, Australia regained the top position after a gap of 6 years under their new leader Steve Smith. Out of 15 matches, they won 10 and lost 3, which included the Ashes lost as well. In 2016-17, India topped the ranking under the leadership of Virat Kohli. In an extended home season, they won 12 out of 17 matches and lost only 1. In 2017-18, India continued their dominance under Kohli, winning 5 out of 9 tests with 2 losses. In 2018-19, India maintained the top spot despite of a mixed year. After their defeat in England 4-1, they won in Australia for the first time 2-1. In 2019-20, India stayed at top under Kohli after a near successful year with 7 wins and 2 losses out of 9 tests. In 2020-21, though India slipped from top as Australia and New Zealand topped the ranking, but after 2 series wins against Australia in Australia 2-1 and against England 3-1, they regained the top spot. And due to COVID, India just played 8 tests, winning 5 and losing 2. As we summarize this video, we can see Australia with 9 title wins, followed by India with 7 title wins. So that's end our visualization. Hope you like it. For more such cricket stats and records, subscribe to Think Stats.